Alright, noch 3 Essensstücke vorig. Also, ich bin realistisch.
How you doing, Clementine?
Okay.
Where's your hat?
I don't know. Can you help me find it?
Sure.
Sure. When did you lose it?
I had it a couple days ago.
I promise. If I find it, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ich hoffe, ich
Okay,
finde.
Clem. I've got to take care of some things. Why don't you go back to playing with Duck for a while?
Okay.
Der Duck. Was bist du für einen? Mit dem muss ich jetzt zuerst mal ein bisschen reden, zum schauen.
Hey, is my friend gonna make it?
I don't know, but Kaja will do her best.
Ja,
I
das wissen
promise.
wir nicht.
I can't believe you chopped off his leg.
There was no other way.
Wer bist du?
So who are you people? Our group's gonna want to know.
I'm Ben. Ben Paul. The man you saved is Mr. Parker, the band director at my school. We all came down from Stone Mountain for the playoffs when everything happened.
Wie geht's so?
How you holding up, kid?
Oder wie stehst du dazu?
Well, I keep wondering if I could have done something to help, you know? Some kind of, I don't know, something.
Ich weiss auch nicht, was wir können machen, Alter.
It's killing me.
Ich gebe
Relax.
dem jetzt mal noch
We'll
kein
get your
Essen.
friend
Ich
back
weiss
to
nicht, ob
normal in
er,
no time.
ob er schon
I
gehabt
sure
hat.
hope so.
Vielleicht hat er schon etwas gehabt. Also ich gebe ihr etwas mit der Gun.
Want something to eat?
Ich gebe ihr ein bisschen
Have an
Vitamin.
apple, Carly.
God, I used to eat an apple every morning with some granola and 6 almonds, and that wasn't enough even then. But you know what? Yes.
Und jetzt? Ich gebe es der Clementine, aber Clementine kannst du sonst mit dem Duck teilen und wenn nicht, isst es selber.
Here, Clem. You
Ihr
want something to eat?
gebe ich einfach etwas. Sorry. Da, Clem.
Okay. A Sunday would be better next time.
Das
keep
Glas
that in
wäre
mind.
besser nächstes Mal.
If you have any more food, Duck is hungry too.
Yeah, why don't we go get some food?
Also ich würde sagen, wenn ich das... Ach, für mich selber? Nein, sorry. Auch wenn ich nachher irgendeinen Schwächeanfall habe. Nein.
Oh, some of these people have gone longer than me
Yeah.
without food. They're the ones that need it.
Also, wir machen es so. Ich habe ihn vorher nicht gerettet. Das Mal kommt er etwas zu essen über. Dann wird auch der Kenny und Katja lieber mit mir eingestellt sein. Ihr gebe ich nichts. Ich schlage mich auf die Seite von Kenny. Und auch wenn es schwieriger ist mit der Familie, es ist human.
Hey, Doc. How about a little food?
Komm, Doc, nimm's. Er freut sich.
Here.
Yeah! Oh man, I'm so hungry!
Eben his family. Voll gut. Sorry, Lily. Sorry, Larry.
Not such an easy job, is it?
No,
Never
so-
said it was. I don't envy you. I don't know how you have the strength to do this every day.
I don't have a choice.
Lee,
Kenny, I know I ran out of food before.
hey, it was a tough choice.
Yep.
But you took care of the kids. That's what a real man does.
Thanks, Kenny.
Still, I guess some people aren't going to be happy with your choices.
Larry
You're
ist mir
out!
scheißegal.
What happened to my food?
Schau den für Reserven
There's
an.
none left.
You keep treating people like this, and your days in this group are numbered.
You're one to talk, old
Yes.
man.
Yeah? Well, I don't see you working on that wall.
Hey. Die Wall ist super gut. Er ist der König mit dieser Wand. Ey. Ich hasse.
Ken, Lee, come here, please.
He didn't make it, did he?
He lost too much blood.
Okay.
God damn it. I'm getting sick of this shit.
Ken, come back. There's nothing...
Let him go, Katja.
But
He just needs time. It's been a rough morning.
that man you brought, I tried. but he was never going to survive.
Well, at least he's not our problem anymore.
What about the other kid?
Shit, shit, shit! Cool. Oh, fuck! Bin ich verschrocken! Axe! Nein! Cool! Nein! Weg! Was muss ich machen? Was kann sie machen? Aha, schwingen! Oh! Wo ist die fucking Axt? Oh! Fuß! Ich kick ihn schon. Ich drücke einfach alles. Ich drücke Maus, ich bewege die Maus, ich drücke QD. S. Au! Nicht schon wieder auf den Kopf. Ah! Wow! Oh Gott! Oh Gott!
Yeah, thanks.
Why'd you bring him here in the first place, asshole?
Dad, calm
Ich hab
down.
nicht gewusst, dass er gebissen worden ist.
Killed! You said he wasn't bitten. What? We asked you point blank, was he bitten, and you said no.
Yep.
He wasn't! Well, your not bitten friend here came back to life and tried to kill my wife. What?
Wait, you all don't know?
What the hell are you
Was?
talking about?
It's not the bite that does it.
What?
You come back no matter how you die. If you don't destroy the brain, that's just what happens. It's gonna happen to all of us.
Ohne Scheiß. Wir sind alle infiziert.
We're all infected? Everyone?
I guess so. I don't know.
What?
All I know is that I've seen people turn who I know were never bitten. When I first saw it happen, we were all hiding out in a gym and everybody thought we were finally safe. But one of the girls, Jenny Pitcher, I think, I guess she couldn't take it. She took some pills. A lot of them. Someone went in the girls' room the next morning and... God.
Alle bis alles Zombies.
Back off!
What?
Whoa, lady, relax. Me and my brother, we just want to know if y'all can help us out.
I said back off!
Carly,
Haben die sind die bewaffnet?
Yeah, for protection. Dead could be anywhere.
Okay.
But, I think you got the upper hand here.
Why do you need gas?
Our place is protected by an electric fence. Generators provide the electricity.
Oh, wow.
Our generators run on gas. Look, we own a dairy farm a few miles up the road. If y'all be willing to lower your guns, we can talk about some kind of trade.
How y'all doing on food? We got plenty at the dairy.
Nice, sie haben genug Nahrung auf der Farm.
Lee, why don't you and Mark check the place out, see if it's legit?
I'm going with you. I got your back if anything seems fishy.
Okay, Mark,
So,
Lee
what do y'all
und
think?
Carly. Ja, das ist okay. Okay, gehen wir mal. Hey,
You've got a
Nahrung.
deal.
Wir müssen ihnen vertrauen, oder?
We'll bring some gas to your dairy. In exchange, you give us some food to bring back. We'll see how it goes from there.
Sounds fair. A couple gallons should power one of our generators for a while.
Ich traue ihnen.
So, this
Also,
dairy,
ich bin eh naiv
you guys
und
really
traue
have
mal
food?
allen, würde ich sagen. Ausser
Sure
man
do.
sieht
We lost most
eindeutig.
of the cattle, but we still have
Larry
lots
hätte
of
ich nicht
milk,
traut.
butter, and cheese stocked up.
Yeah.
And with the vegetables we grow, we got plenty of food.
Nice, Gemüse und alles.
It's nice to get away from that motel for a while. This Lily Kenny thing is starting to get ridiculous. Personally, I'd be happier if you started to take charge more.
Der Kenny ist mit... Ich als Leiter? Oh shit, ja, wieso nicht?
me for a leader?
Sure, everybody looks up to you.
Well, not everyone thinks I'm so trustworthy.
Scheiß auf den
Because of
Larry.
your past. Does anyone else know?
Larry knows.
Great. That can't be easy.
Clementine knows. She was there when we were talking in the drugstore and asked me about it.
Yep.
I couldn't lie to her.
What exactly did happen with the senator?
Somehow, I ended up getting locked into the commissary storage closet.
It was an accident. I mean, I pretty much knew about the affair.
Keine Ahnung,
Sometimes I
was
wonder
passiert
if I
ist.
should talk to the group about it.
You don't have to. Whatever happened before things went to hell doesn't matter anymore.
Not sure everyone would see it that way.
Maybe you're right. Listen, over the years, I've reported on some pretty messed up shit. I've seen situations like yours 100 times.
Es geht jetzt eben so ein bisschen um seinen Fall, ob was
man.
der Senator passiert ist und so.
Yeah.
Und darüber, dass ich so Leiter werde vorher, das habe ich gar nicht besetzt.
I mean, thank God Lee showed up when he did. Right, Lee?
Yeah, why don't you tell us a little more about yourself, Lee?
Where are you from?
I grew up in Macon.
Ich bin
Right here in
ehrlich
the
zu
heart
allen.
of Georgia.
Hast
That's
gesagt.
what I like to hear. Y'all seem pretty settled in at that motor inn. Who's running things over there?
Lily, soll ich die Nacht an mich? Nein.
Lily. She runs a pretty tight ship. Her and her dad are ex-military.
Yeah, she knows her shit, but she needs to know when to back off sometimes.
How many people you got over there anyway?
Oh. 9, ich glaube.
9, including the kids.
You forgot Ben.
Me?
That makes it 10.
Well, we'd love to get you all out to the dairy. Like I said, we got plenty of food, and quite frankly, we could always use an extra helping hand.
Alright,
In the
das wäre
summers,
super.
I used to help out on a goat farm.
Yeah, that's great. Everything helps.
Mama's been running a dairy for well, as long as I can remember, but
Ich finde
now
den Dialekt noch
You
geil.
think you're gonna cut me out of this?
What?
Shit, get down.
No one's trying to cut you out of anything.
You and Gary are always pulling this shit.
Bandits.
Oh, no.
Those look like the people who raided my camp.
Who are they?
Fuck you! You knew we were hungry.
Oh,
and
wow.
You guys were keeping it all
There's
for
only 2 of them.
yourself.
Oh no, there's
Yeah,
a
you know
lot
what?
more of
We
them.
ate it all.
What?
What are you gonna fucking do about it?
Don't worry, Danny and I got you covered if something happens, but let's just wait this out and hope they move on.
Uh-huh.
Fuck you!
Oh shit, oh shit.
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Jesus.
Asshole.
Das ist voll durch.
The world out here has gone to shit. Come on, let's get to the dairy where it's safe.
Hat er sehr nach zerstört mit dem Kopfschuss? Ich hoffe, es ist genug zerstört. Wir werden es sehen. Vielleicht haben wir es wiedersehen. Ich hoffe es nicht. Stacheldraht schon mal nicht schlecht, he? Wow.
Here it is, St. John Family Dairy.
Wunderbar.
Y'all can see how we kept this place so safe.
The fence keeps them out?
You betcha. They fry like bugs in a zap. We're pushing 4,000 volts
Whoa.
on that thing with generators and amps.
I'm going to assume that's a lot.
Ja, schlecht ist es glaube ich nicht. Ich habe auch nicht viel Ahnung von Elektrizität. Hey, Mama is alive. Haben ihr
Ever
irgendwelche
have any accidents?
Unfall gehabt?
It's safer here than out there.
This place looks untouched. You'd never know the rest of the world is in ruins.
Ja, voll.
It's worth protecting, hence all the juice.
I thought I saw y'all with company coming down the drive.
Guys, this is our mama.
I'm Brenda St. John, and welcome to the St. John Dairy.
This
my
here's
God,
Lee.
die Stimme.
He's from Macon.
A couple of our old farm hands were from Macon. They grow 'em good there.
They got a few more friends staying at the old motel.
Oh my goodness, that place is pretty vulnerable.
Uh-huh.
You got someone with survival experience to lead your group?
We
work together, man.
Plus, we've got plenty of people with military experience.
Mann, ich will
that's
sie
good.
irgendwie nicht an mich
That
reissen,
motel ain't the
der
safest
Lied.
place.
Irgendwie wäre es
Hold
verdammt
on,
frech, aber
I
es wäre
thought you
fast das
said someone
Beste.
else was running things.
Oh, yeah. I thought she was asking about survival tactics.
Well, it don't matter. You're here now. We'll make sure you're safe and comfortable.
Nice, danke.